Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can exit Google Play Store on your Android device. Subscribe to our channel, put likes, and write comments after watching the video. Let us get started with you. In order to exit the Google Play Store, you will need to go into your Android phone settings. To do this, you'll need to swipe from the top to the bottom right side of the screen. And here you'll find a gear, click on it. And you'll need to find a section in your settings called Accounts. I have it called User and Accounts. You may have Accounts and Pages or just Accounts. It can be called absolutely differently, but the main thing is that it has the word account. And so you go into this section. Here you will have all of your accounts in different social networks and also your Google Mail. You will need to sign out of Google Mail, which is tied to the Google Play Store. Unfortunately, this is the only way you can log out of the Play Store. To do this, you will need to select your mail. You click on it. And then you'll have the option to delete your account. And you'll need to select it and confirm the action. I must warn you that after you delete this account from Google, you will not only be logged out of the Play Store, you will be logged out of everything that was associated with this account. For example, from the Google Play Store, Google Mail, Google Drives, Calendar, Spreadsheets, Google Photos, and so on. Everything, absolutely all the apps that were associated with that email account. But this is, unfortunately, the only way to get out of the Google Play Store if you need to. I hope that this video was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments. See you next time.